I thought of this genius idea of how AI art can make money, and I'm gonna teach you exactly how in this video. Not sure if you've seen the trend of people using the Lensa app to basically turn their faces into art, but something insane has happened from that. Basically, we've all discovered how narcissists we are because the Lensa app's already making $1 million a day. I did it too. I got photos like this, and like this. I mean, look at those teeth. Ugh. But naturally, my mind thinks if people are spending money, then there's a way to make money, and this is exactly what I'm gonna do. The first thing you need to do is learn how to use AI, specifically AI art. Let's dive in. All right, first things first, I'm going to sign up for jasper.com. There's a free link in the bio to sign up to get an awesome trial. And this is what we're gonna be using to make our art. It's primarily used as a writing tool, but this is the innovation with AI. They now have an art section right here. And this is where we get to create art. So I'm gonna make an attempt right now to create some art off the top of my head. I'm thinking about aliens right now, and I'm thinking about aliens in the ocean in a war against, how about frogs? I don't know what I'm thinking about frogs. You have these different settings here of how you want it to look. Pick exciting. Yeah, I'll keep it photography. You have like different artists that you can base it off. Frida. Black and white, ambient light. Let's do high resolution. And you know, I'm making this on the fly, so let me hit create art and let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that's actually really cool. Okay, let me think of my next random idea. I don't know, I'm thinking about frogs running a marathon in the desert. All right, let's change up. Let's do Vincent van Gogh. Let's see what that looks like. Oh my, dude, what? That's amazing. That's so cool. Let me change it to I wonder what happens if I click none. So there's no inspiration from artists. You have to keep in mind, y'all, I'm barely using this thing, so I'm really not an expert by any means. Dude, let me change it to frog running a marathon in the desert to get to grand prize of chocolate cake. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, look at this. That's it, that's exactly, that's it. That's amazing. So this is the tool, and you know, whatever your mind desires is what you can create, but we want to learn how to make money. So let's do that. Go to Google Trends, and we need to find something trending. So I'm gonna just think of pet art. Let's see how that looks. And okay, looks like it's up in the last 12 months. Now we of course got to do a comparison of dog art and cat art. Ooh, there's a nice little spike in dog art right now. That's great, but it looks like the winner is actually dog art. Okay, so now I have some context to that I need to make dog art, and maybe that's actually something that now it's in demand, and I just need to make content on it. So let me just do a couple trials of dog art. German Shepherd going into the office for his birthday party. Let's do inspiration. Pablo Picasso. I don't like that. Hey, that's my first bad one that I made. German Shepherd dressed in business suit going into the office for his birthday. And I want to make this more art. I think I had it on photos, so that was a bad idea. Let's do it as ink, Warhol, style, impressionism. I'm going to take a couple tries, right? Instead of just fooling around, I want to actually create a product or service that I could offer. Yes, 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 this is exactly what I wanted. I'm going to save this. That's amazing. So now I'm going to do golden retriever drinking coffee with glasses, reading a book. Let's keep that style the same. See what happens. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. That's just too cool. I'm going to save that. Let's get out of Andy Warhol. Let's change it up to oil paint, and let's see what happens. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Guys, this is how you use AI. It's amazing. So now that you've learned how to do AI art, it's time to offer it as a service. And what better place than Fiverr? All right, we are on Fiverr, and I first want to see who is currently making pet art. Do a little bit of research here. So we got a few people. Look at that, 194 reviews at $5. You know this person's making money. Here's one at $15 and $35. Amazing art, watercolor. So here's what we're paying attention to, the styles, because this is what our prompts could be in Jasper to create the art. We have vector lines, we have an illustration, we have pop art, we have watercolor, and I think those are looking to be pretty good. I think the only thing we want to be careful about is things like this one. I will draw your cat. Now, I bet, German Shepherds all look like German Shepherds. Here's what I'm thinking about, like watercolor or pet art. I think this is the realm I want to go. So let's go ahead and create a gig on Fiverr using the examples that we've done. This is my super old Fiverr gig, but we're going to go ahead and create a gig so I can show you exactly how you turn this AI into money. We're going to hit on create new gig. You got to put a statement here. I will create custom, let's call this dog art in unique situations for you. We'll call this graphic and design. Subcategory is going to be characters. All right. Pet portrait. Okay, keywords. I'm going to do art, pet, pets, dog, cat, cartoon character. So name your packages. And we're going to do value stacking because through AI art, we don't just have to create one. So this is where we're going to differentiate ourselves from other people on Fiverr, is they have to take a lot of time to create one because they're really doing it. For us, literally, we could offer like 50 different variations. So I'll do 4 art variations. I will create 4 art variations using your keywords. Delivery time. What's cool about AI is it moves so fast. Revisions. We'll put 0 revisions, even though it's not going to cost us extra to do revisions. Figures. We'll do 4 figures. Source the file in high resolution. Background scene. In color. For body. For commercial use. And we'll call this first one, we'll put $20. Of course, extra fast service. It doesn't really take me longer to do it, so I'll add that in for an extra $20. Additional revisions, we'll add that for $5. Additional figures, sure, they want to have more pets in it. And then different background scenes, we'll put it at $20. So save and continue. And essentially I just created my first gig. Now here's amazing. I have to create a description of my gig, but guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to use AI. I'm going to be using a free AI tool called ChatGPT. This just came out. And it's going to allow me to basically create content on the fly. So I'm going to go ahead and real time try to make my description post versus me doing it. So I'm going to say a product description of making custom pet art for customers that are unique and fun and super high quality. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, this is amazing. Thank you for considering our custom pet art service. We specialize in creating unique and fun pet art that is the highest quality. Our team of skilled artists will work closely with you to create this is insane. One of a kind piece of art that, oh my gosh. It's still going. Oh, this is insanity. Cool. I'm going to copy and paste this. And boom, pasted it in and save and continue. Questions for the gig are going to be like, what kind of dog do you have? What kind of pet? What kind of pet and breed do you have? What kind of situations or activities would you like your pet doing? Any other elements or style requests you would like in your art? Example, wearing sunglasses, running, etc. Cool. Save and continue. Now we need gig images, and this is where we're going to add the images that we just created. All right, I have uploaded my images and I'm not doing a video, but essentially that is it. Basically just to fill out a W-9 form, because it's my first gig, but essentially that is it. I've done it. I've created a Fiverr gig. This is just one way that you can tap into this new booming ecosystem and demand for AI generated art, or as we talked about, you don't even have to say it's from AI. You could just say that you're doing the art, and essentially that's true. But the ability to create an art traditionally took hours, if not days, to create, like a caricature or cartoon like that, and now it takes literally a second. So now your output as an artist or a content creator can be 10,000-fold. So that big demand that is currently in search right now, you can capitalize in, but it's just scratching the surface. Because portraits are cool and one thing, but businesses need content. Every business needs content. What if you turn that AI into making content? I mean, the possibilities are endless. In this next year, I'm going all out with AI into all the different ways that you can use it to help improve your efficiency and, of course, make money. So if you want to stay on this trend and find ways to basically be lazy and have AI do the work for you, make sure you subscribe and comment below if you think you're ready to take on AI. Otherwise, thanks for watching. This is Adrian. Peace and God bless.